door 10 feet in front of me. I thought he wasn't going to call it.
Yep, yeah.
Hit. From where? I'm gonna go back out around in the kitchen. Hit.
You got me.
Are you no tape? Hey, are you no tape?
Yeah.
We're no tape too.
No, I'm taped.
Oh, okay, cool. All right.
Good flank.
Good, yeah, good flying, man. We didn't even hear you. It was good.
In 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay. I don't know. I think they said redo.
How would they say redo? Did you get one? No?
I got one that was already out. We're done! Dude, you scared the living hell out of me.
Yo, my gun was on semi. And I couldn't pull the trigger. I was like, what the fuck?
You came around the corner, I'm like, oh
You
no!
were the other guy with the box. Is there 2 people with box mags?
What?
I got it. Yeah, the guy with the grenade was crouched walking in and was like, oh, doing his head. He's like, what's going on? I'm like, yeah, I think you lost.
Yeah, the guy came around the corner, the guy with the box mag, and like literally I was just kinda like this, and as he came around I was like, ah, good.
You guys ready over there? Game starts in 3,
Don't run in front of me.
2, 1, go!
Squirrel? Squirrel?
Yep.
Show me your hand. Oh, you were over here.
Sorry, Poppy. Don't mean to keep firing on you, but if you don't say it, I won't know. I got one right on behind that box. Last I saw him. Last I said, there he goes. That's him.
I'll keep him pinned down, I'll keep him pinned. Is that everybody?
Over there, but
Is that everybody?
how many are out? Is that it?
The guy's keys are still over here.
Yeah. Look.
Came with 2.
Double time,
No.
let's go, this is the last thing.
Full auto.
No.
No, semi.
No, it's semi.
Okay. I bet you can't reach me.
Everybody watch out.
Everybody, watch out. Nope. Miss. Ha. That would have missed. That was too high this way.
James starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
You didn't tell. Your hand wasn't up.
Chill. We're friends. Let's go. Check your back.
All right. Game might be over.
You would have whistled.
I heard it. I think a game. Yeah, it is game. Oh shit! No, it's not game!
Yeah.
Nope.
Nope.
I don't know if he's on your team or not. No, they're not. I think you have 2 more people that you got to pick on that.
Oh, I got you.
I don't think you did. I think the guy with the shotgun did.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you got me right on the side. Wait a second. Where's the guy that I shot out? Where's the guy with the curly hair?
Still in, apparently.
No, I hit him. I hit him in his back and he goes, I'm already out. I'm like, your hand wasn't up.
Well, apparently you didn't call it then.